Discover Mango Languages.
Mango Languages is an online language learning platform that offers courses in over 70 languages. It features interactive lessons, practical dialogues, and cultural insights, making it popular among learners worldwide. While Mango Languages usually charges a subscription fee, many public library systems provide free access to their patrons. Let's explore how you can start learning a new language for free through your local library.
Check your local library's access.
Begin by visiting your local public library's website. Search for a section on digital resources or online learning. Look for Mango Languages in their list of offerings. Not all libraries provide access, but thousands across the country do. If you're not sure whether your library offers Mango, you can call or email your branch to ask.
Get a library card.
To use Mango Languages through your library, you'll need a valid library card. If you don't have one, sign up by visiting your library in person or checking if they offer online registration. Library cards are usually free for local residents. Make sure you have your card number and a PIN or password, as you'll use these details to log in to library resources.
Access Mango Languages online.
Once you have your library card, return to your library's website and find the Mango Languages link. Clicking it will direct you to Mango's login portal. You'll be prompted to enter your library card number and sometimes your PIN. After logging in, you can create a Mango account to save your progress or use the platform as a guest.
Start learning without paying.
After logging in with your library card, you'll have full, free access to Mango Languages. Choose from dozens of languages, work through interactive lessons, and track your progress. Using Mango through your library means you enjoy all features at no extra cost. Enjoy learning a new language supported by your local library community.